This is my hair when I first started doing henna gloss treatments. Look at the shine and the softness in my curls. If you want the glass-like shine and thickness of a salon gloss, but you want to do it naturally without damaging chemicals, you need to try a henna gloss. Pure henna is famous for strengthening hair, but it has one major flaw. It can leave your hair feeling dry. And because I'm using neutral henna, I don't have to worry about it changing my hair color. Henna is perfect for creating balance between strength and moisture. The conditioner adds immediate slip and hydration to counteract the drying properties of the plant. At the same time, the henna molecules still penetrate your hair shaft to plump up fine strands and stop breakage. You get all the thickness with none of the crunch. Another benefit of using a henna gloss is that it's less messy because the henna gloss is actually the consistency of the conditioner. Benefit number two is that you get immediate shine. Think of this like a lip gloss for your hair. And sometimes henna can be difficult to wash out because it's a powder, but because of this henna gloss, it's so much easier to rinse out of your hair. By turning it into a creamy conditioning mask, it glides onto your hair without causing tangles. Another benefit is ultimate frizz control. By coating the hair shaft and locking down the cuticle, this mix creates a protective shield that blocks out humidity. It instantly softens coarse textures and makes stubborn frizz highly manageable. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.